Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this pop-up. So whenever you restart your computer, if you see this pop-up which says you will need a new app to open this me.blueone.win link. So on every restart you see this pop-up, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the step is applicable when you have uninstalled Bluemail on your computer. This is happening when you have blue mail services running. So even after uninstalling this mail app, still you are receiving this pop-up, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So this is after you uninstall it. So for this, go to registry editor. So type in registry editor in Windows search box and then click on registry editor. Click on yes to allow. Now over here expand H key current user, then expand software. Now expand Microsoft and then expand Windows. Scroll down and find Windows and then expand Windows and then expand current version, and then you have to go ahead and find run option. Scroll down. Here you can see run. Now once you click on run, you don't have to expand it, just click on run, and on the right hand side here you can see blue mail. So make a right click and delete. So you can go ahead and delete it when you're not using blue mail app. So this is after you uninstall blue mail app. If you are receiving this pop-up, then only you can go ahead and delete this entry. So if you don't need Bluemail app, then make a right click and then click on delete. Now in case if you want to create a backup for the registry, you can go to file, then click on export, and then you can save it to desktop. You can just name it as backup and then select all for export range and then click on save. This will create a backup for a registry. Now in future, whenever you want to restore the registry, you can go to file. It's still backing up. So backup is done. So in future, if you want to restore the registry, you can go to file, then click on import. You can go ahead and select the backup and then click on open. This will restore the registry. But for now, to get rid of this pop-up, you need to go ahead and delete this blue mail if you have uninstalled the app. Make a right click, then click on delete. Yes. Now after you delete it, close registry editor, go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then click on restart. After the system restart, you should not receive this pop-up anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.